All right, let's talk about technology and startup pharma because at some point, usually right before an audit, someone looks around and says, wait, who set this up? And the answer is almost always everyone and no one. Mistake number one, treating IT like a back office problem. Early on, IT feels like Wi Fi, laptops, and can you fix the printer? But regulators don't see IT that way. They see risk. If a system touches data, clinical, quality, manufacturing, it's no longer just IT. It's part of your regulated process, whether you planned it that way or not. Mistake number two, moving fast with SaaS without knowing where your data lives. Startups love speed, and SaaS promises speed. But eventually someone will ask, who can change this data? Where's the audit trail? Can we get it back if the vendor disappears? Silence is not the right answer in an inspection. Mistake number three, weak identity and access controls, shared accounts, no MFA, one big happy flat network. It works, right up until you need to prove who did what, when, and why. And suddenly, everyone logs in as admin, stops being a convenience, and starts being an observation. Mistake number four, waiting too long to think about validation. Validation is not something you do right before the audit. That's like trying to study for medical school the night before the exam. You don't need enterprise-grade validation on day one, but you do need intent, documentation, and a risk-based approach from the start. And mistake number five, assuming bad things won't happen. No backup testing, no incident response plan, no disaster recovery beyond the cloud has it. Regulators don't expect perfection, they expect preparation. Here's the good news. None of these mistakes are about spending more money. They're about making earlier, smarter decisions. The companies that get this right don't slow down. They build guardrails early so they can move faster later, through audits, trials, partnerships, and scale. So if you remember one thing, IT and pharma isn't about technology. It's about trust, traceability, and control. And trust me, those are a lot cheaper to build before someone asks for them.